Hi students, in my third class part 3 ISC specimen paper short type of question, ISC CBSC specimen paper for short type of question, in my third class sum number 17. Sum number 17 is given, find the equation of tangent and normal of the ellipse. This at the point where ordinate is 2. Ordinate means y coordinate. Here given 5x square plus 3y square equals to 137. Ordinate means x coordinate. Ordinate means x coordinate. What means y coordinate? Y equals to 2. Abscissa is x coordinate. Ordinate is y coordinate. Here y equals to 2. Put it here. That is 5x square plus 3 into 4 equals to 137. That is 5x square equals to 137 minus 12. That is x square equals to 125 by 5. That is x equals to plus minus 5. Therefore, point is 5, 2 and minus 5, 2. We have to find suppose this is the equation of ellipse and this is suppose this is tangent and this is normal. This is tangent and this is normal. You have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal from the point 5, 2. On that point you have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. So here you have the equation of the curve ellipse is this, and now differentiating, that is 5 into 2x plus 6y dy by dx equals to 0. Then dy by dx equals to minus 10x by 6y. Now dy by dx at the point 5, 2. dy by dx at the point 5, 2. Then dy by dx at 5, 2 equals to minus 10 into 5, 6 into 2. That is minus 25 by 6. That is minus dy by dx at the point, this is minus 25 by 6. And dy by dx at the point minus 5, 2 is 25 by 6. Dy by this is minus 5, 2. Now equation of tangent, what dy by dx is this? Now equation of tangent, equation of tangent at 5, 2 and 5 minus 2, y minus y1 equals to 5, 2 gradient is minus 25 by 6 x minus x1, and y minus y1 equals to 25 by 6 x minus x1. These are the equation of two tangents. You simplify, that is we can take 6y minus 12 equals to minus 25x plus 125, that is 25x plus 6y equals to 137. And from this we can write 6y plus 12 equals to 25x minus 125, that is 25x minus 6y minus 130, that equals to 137. That is the equation of tangent. To find the equation of normal, equation of normal, y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m, that is minus plus 6 by 25, reciprocal 1 by m, x minus x1, and y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m, that is 6 by 25 x minus 5. That equation of normal. Y minus y1 equals to 1 by y, the reciprocal 5 minus 1 by y this. That is 25y plus 50 equals to minus 6x plus 30, that is 6x plus 25y equals to 6x plus 25 equals to minus 20. And equation this normal forward, this one 25y plus 50 equals to, this is this is this one 25, this is 25x minus 50 equals to 6x minus 30, that is 6x minus 25y plus 20 equals 0. This is equation normal, this is equation normal. This is for this and this is for this. Okay, next sum number 18. Question number 18. Here solve this. Here you can take x square common, y 1 minus y dy equals to minus, here is y square common, 1 plus x dx. Now 1 minus y by y square minus 1 plus x by x square, here is dy, here is dx. Now integrating both sides, that is 1 by y square dy minus 1 by y dy, we can take left side, plus 1 by x square dx plus 1 by x dx equals to 0. That is y to the power minus 2, that is y to the power minus integration minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by y, this is log y. 1 by y integration log y, it is minus 1 by x plus log x equals to c. Now log x minus log y equals to c plus 1 by x plus 1 by y, that is log x by y equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus c. That is the differential equation of the given sum number 18. Then sum number 19. Question number 19 is given. Question number 19. Here prove 2 minus omega plus 2 omega square, 2 plus 2 omega minus omega square equals to 9. Prove. Here arranging this 2 plus 2 omega square minus omega, here is 2 common, 1 plus omega minus omega square. Here omega is a cube root of unity, omega cubed value is 1 plus omega square value 0. Here omega is a cube root of unity. Now here is 2 common, 2, 1 plus omega square minus omega, 2, 1 plus omega minus omega square. 1 plus omega square value is minus omega, that is minus 2 omega minus omega. Here is minus 2 omega square minus omega square. 1 plus omega is minus omega square, that is minus 2 omega square. Here is minus 3 omega into minus 3 omega square. Positive, that is 9 omega cube, that is 9. Omega cubed value is 1. 9 omega cube, that is 9 into 1, that is 9, equals to right hand side. Next sum number 20. Sum number 20. A bag contains ticket marked as 1 to 20. One ticket is drawn at random find the probability, it will be multiple of 5. So now mark is 1 to 20 mark. Now multiple, let A be the ticket multiple of 5. That is 5, 10, 15, 20. And B is multiple of 7, 7, 14. Then cardinal number of A union B, A union B is 6. A union B is 6, and total sum, the probability of A union B is favorable outcome, it is multiple of 5, it is multiple of 7. Or you have to find multiple of 5, or means union, and means intersection. So here A union B, probability of favorable outcome is 6 and total outcome is 20, that is 3 by 10, that is 0.3. The probability of multiple of 5 or 7, or means union. The multiple of 5 is 4 and multiple of 7 is 2. The total sample space, total favorable outcome is 6. A union B, multiple of 5 or multiple of 7 is 6 by 20. That is answer. Next, sum number 21. Question number 21. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x log of tan x dx. It is definitely integral. Find the property. Using the property, integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 into pi by 2 minus x log of, it is I, log of tan pi by 2 minus x dx equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine pi minus 2x, that is sine 2x, and log of tan pi by 2, what is cot x. This is 1, this is 2, this is 1. Adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x log of tan x plus sine 2x log of cot x dx. That is 0 to pi by 2, sine 2x is common, and this plus this, log of tan x plus log of cot x dx. That is 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x log of tan, log a plus log ab, log of tan x into cot x, that is 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x, that is log of 1, tan x into cot x, cot x into 1 by tan x cancel, that is log of 1 dx. Log 1 and value is 0, the whole thing is 0, answer is 0, therefore I equals to 0. 2i is coming 0, therefore I equals to 0. I am telling again, log tan x into 1 by tan x, tan cancel, that is log 1, log 1 and value is 0, sine 2x into 0 means 0, that is 2i equals 0, then I is 0. Next, sum number 22. Sum number 22. Question number 22. Solve dy by dx equals e to the power x minus y plus 1. Solve. It is differential equation sum. Here take x minus y equals to z. So 1 minus dy by dx equals to dz by dx. Then 1 minus dz by dx equals to dy by dx. Put it here. 1 minus dz by dx e to the power z plus 1. 1 minus d, 1 cancelled. That is minus 1 by e to the power z dz. equals to dx, take minus right side, integrating both sides. E to the power minus z indices, e to the power minus z integration minus e to the power minus z. E to the power z indicates e to the power z, e to the power minus z for minus z equals to x plus minus x plus c. Then x plus e to the power x minus e to the power minus z is x minus y equals to c. That is the solution of the given differential equation. Next, sum number 23. Question number 23. Here dy by dx, y equals to log of x plus root over of x square plus a square. Find dy by dx. Differentiating both sides respect to x. dy by dx. Log it treated as whole thing is x. Log x is derivative 1 by x. That is 1 by x plus root over of x square plus a square. Now chain rule. Log x 1 by x, then differentiation of inner portion, x derivative is 1 plus root x derivative, treat as root x 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root over of x square plus a square into x square derivative is 2x. 2 cancel, that is 1 by x plus root over of x square plus a square. Now adding this root over of x square plus a square, that is x plus root over of x square plus a square. This and this cancel. Your answer is 1 by root over of x square plus a square. That is dy by dx. That is the final answer. That is derivative of this given expression. Next, sum number 24. Sine inverse 1 by root 10 plus sine inverse 3 by root 10 equals to pi by 2. Prove. Here we know sine inverse x plus sine inverse y a formula. Here sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equals to sine inverse x root over 1 minus y square plus y root over 1 minus x square. That is formula. This is x, this is y. This is sine inverse 1 by root 10 x root over 1 minus x square, that is 9 by 10 x square, plus 3 by root 10 root over 1 minus x square, that is 1 by 10 equals to pi by 2. Then 1 by root 10, 10 minus 9 is 1 by root 10, 1 by root 10 plus 3 by root 10, 10 minus 1, 9 square root, that is 3 by root 10 equals to sine pi by 2, sine inverse coming right hand side. Then 1 by 10 plus 9 by 10 equals sine pi by 2 is 1, 10 is LCM, 1 plus 9 equals to 1, 10 by 10 equals to 1, that is 1 equals to 1. Therefore condition is satisfied, hence proved. This is sum number 24. Next, question number 25. Two plus I, question number 25. 2 plus I, 2 minus I in A plus I B form. Now rationalizing 2 plus I, 2 plus I, 2 minus I, 2 plus I, that is 4 plus 2I plus I square, that is 4 minus I square, that is 4 plus 2I minus 1, I square value is minus 1, and 5, that is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5I, that is A plus IB form. Here A equals to 3 by 5 and B equals to 2 by 5. That's all. Now please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.